In this video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your website to Google. I would really request you to watch the Creating Website on Own course if you haven't, because we are using that same website that we had created there as a reference here. So we'll be using the website healingbuddy.online and we'll be submitting it to Google. So what we'll do is we'll first go to WordPress dashboard, and in the dashboard we'll go to settings, we'll go to reading, and here scroll down, and here you'll find search engine visibility. So discourage search engine from indexing this site. So it is tick marked, so untick it, click save changes. Once this is done, go to Yoast SEO. By the way, Yoast SEO we had downloaded in the chapter 3 of creating website on own course. If you haven't watched that course, please do watch, because this will help you, and you can install a Yoast SEO plugin from plugins, adding new and searching a plugin. I'll just demonstrate you how, just for reminder. Just search here Yoast SEO, click enter. It's already active as I had installed this in chapter 3 of creating website on own course. If you haven't installed it, just install it and click on install now here and then activate it. So we'll come back to Yoast SEO. We'll go to tools. Then we'll go to file editor. And now here you find a robots.txt file. You don't have a robots.txt file. Click one here. So create robots.txt file here. So it's created. So what it does, it's not allowing Google search engine to index your WordPress admin page, that is this dashboard, because it gives you only access to you, and it's allowing you to open the login page of this. Like I'll show you in an incognito tab. Search WP admin. So this is the login page. So this is basically allowing only for this exact file and not the entire WP admin, that is this dashboard. So with this, we'll go to our Google search console, like finish verification, healingbuddy.online. So click over here. It's checking for verification. So there are many multiple methods to verify your Google Search Console with your website. So first is HTML file, second is HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Domain Service Provider. So we'll be using the HTML file method. So download this file here. So it's downloaded. Now what you do, you have to go to your web hosting control panel. So what basically we are doing is we are uploading this file. Download the file here, upload to healingbuddy.online. So we'll be uploading it on our server. So go to file manager, search file manager on your web hosting. So here's the file manager. So once you go here, go to your website name, and here you have to upload it. Just select on upload. Now select the file. I'll upload the file that I had just downloaded. So it's uploaded. Now go back. So you see this is uploaded right here. So come back to the Google Search Console page and now just click on verify. So this is done. Now go to property. So you find this. Now go here and click on sitemaps. So now what we'll do is we'll create a sitemap. So open a new tab on Google and search XML sitemap creator. And in this, choose the first result, XML sitemap generator. Now what you do is write your website name here. We are generating a sitemap for this. So once this is done, view sitemap details and then download your XML sitemap. So once it is downloaded, again go back to your web hosting file manager, again upload it, select the file and just select the file and upload it. So this is the sitemap.xml. Go back. Now come to your Google Search Console and now you have to write sitemap.xml and just click on submit. So a pop-up comes, sitemap submitted successfully. Just click on got it. So this is how you submit your sitemap in a nutshell, and it takes sometimes say 2 days, sometimes 5 days, sometimes 15 days for Google to index your website and rank it higher. So this is it in a nutshell. It usually takes some time to rank higher if your website niche is something very competitive, but if it is not competitive and if it is just for you, it's just a matter of while that your website will rank higher automatically. All that is needed is smart marketing and reaching out to a lot number of people initially through word of mouth promotions or leveraging social media.